What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Skeeterific from Skeeterific Airsoft, and today, really exciting day. I got my mystery box from evic.com. It was the $99 one, and let's dig right on in. Let's see what I got inside. And today, I'm gonna open it with my wife's knife. Let's go. Sorry guys, it's so much tape. Okay, see, I don't know what I got, which with the $99 box, it's something you get up to $140 worth of something that's $140 in value. Let's see what I got here. Ordered an extra mag for my M4 prior to this. So, the gun. Let's see, they may have put some other stuff in here too. They didn't put nothing else in here. So it looks like I've got something from Rock River Arms. What it looks like. So kind of AEG I got. Oh wow. Let's see, what did I get? Owner's manual. Looks like I got an upgraded spring from Specna Arms, which I don't know nothing about them. In the box I get High Cap magazine. Wow. It's got a little tag on there saying, wow. Looks like it's a gun. It looks to be an M4, like an M4 platform. It's actually pretty sweet, pretty nice actually. Stock crane style. This thing's pretty cool. Of course, it's got, typical safety, semi, full auto. I believe it's to have a full metal gearbox. It's got quite a bit of weight to it. Looks like it's M-LOK rail, Picatinny setup for optics or whatever I want to put on it. Looks like I am going to put my flashlight on it because I do plan on going to a mill sim game here soon. So let's see how this thing does. Oh, take that back. There's the owner's manual right here. I don't know nothing about it. The owner's manual comes with cool stickers too. Little sheet that tells you what they chronoed it at. It looks like first shot it chronoed at 376 feet per FPS. Second shot 373. Fourth shot looks like it's pretty, oh wow, 377 FPS. It's not bad. Let's see, what is this thing bad boy wired at? It's pretty easy, just like my old SEMA gun that I used to have. Looks like it is wired for small Tamiya, which is good because my batteries are small Tamiya. Correct me on how that's supposed to be said. yeah. This is actually a pretty sweet gun for what it is. That's actually a pretty sweet gun. Kind of want to see, well, I don't know if there's anything else in this box or not, but let's find out. There might be something else in here that I missed. Seems to be everything in here. Let's put that owner's manual back. Sorry if I'm going out of view of you guys. Let's see. Put this down. Let's see. I'm gonna put the mag in it and see how it looks with the mag. Only thing is, it does not have flip up. It doesn't have sights on it. Oh crap! I'm sorry. Mag fell. I didn't have it all the way in there. There we go. Stock. It's actually a pretty comfortable gun. I do like this. Be a good. Seems like it'd be a really good CQB gun. I think it'd be a nice gun. It's a nice one. They actually send me they come with a different spring to put in it. But actually, I'm gonna see what else is in this box, because we might have actually packed everything. Packing slip, which typical of them. But I think that's all that's in that box. So, whoa. Oh yeah, I forgot that came in it. But down in the comment, please subscribe to my channel, obviously, which that means a lot to me for in general, but for everybody who's viewed my videos, I really want to thank you guys for taking your time to watch my videos and stuff. But on that note, in the comments, please just write down in the comments what mystery box I should do next. Either do another Evic box, another one from Fox, Airsoft GI, Airsoft Megastore, and so on and so on. Please write something to put that down in the comments what I should do next, or what I should do with this gun, what kind of stuff, mods or whatever y'all want to see me do to this gun, or my G&G M4, my sniper rifle, so on and so on. But on another note, another update on my MP49, I did get a wiring kit for it. I did get some gears come in for it, but they were the wrong ones, so I had to reorder my gears again, get different gears for it that will work with that gun. Plus, I had to order an anti-reversal latch because the gears that I ordered previously didn't send me that with it. So, like I said, please give this video a thumbs up, comment, like, subscribe, and as always, Skitterific Airsoft, and I'll see you out there. Peace.